EPR International was established in 2005 by several professional automotive engineers. After more than 10 years of development, we have become a well-known automotive styling and carbon fiber parts manufacturer worldwide. Dry carbon fiber is our current flagship product, and now we will show you about our manufacturing process. We use Toray carbon fiber as raw material. After precise cutting by experienced workers, carefully lay out on the mold and check it repeatedly to ensure that the surface texture is smooth enough. After the mold is bagged and evacuated, the next step is high pressure and high temperature treatment. We use industry-leading pressure tank equipment, fully automated operations, and precise pressurization and heating processes to ensure that our products can reach the high EPR standards. After heat treatment for up to 9 hours, the mold can be released. After the mold is removed, the product prototype enters the next step of the production process. Senior polishing masters will perform edge processing and surface polishing and sanding on the prototype. Then use sandpaper of different thicknesses to water polish the surface of the product. After 2 surface treatments, a final meticulous polishing is performed. After production is completed, each product will be sent to our quality inspection department, and each product will pass the inspection of at least 2 quality inspectors before it can be entered into the warehouse for the next move. Unqualified products will be eliminated. Ensure that every product reaches the customers impeccably and without defects. The products we produce range from grills to complete body kit, as well as interior parts and engine decoration parts, covering hundreds of models and thousands of products in total. Our wide product selection range is a major advantage. We have equipped a professional warehousing team and EPR's own intelligent warehousing system. We have set up warehouses in Australia, the United Kingdom, the United States, and Japan to store the goods of popular models. We can quickly respond to customer needs and provide customers with efficient production. In addition to an efficient production and warehousing system, EPR International also has a professional marketing team to provide convenient purchasing services and cooperation opportunities for global customers in various regions and online trading platforms around the world. Our own R&D department will also design and develop various styles of appearance kits based on market demand to meet customers' individual needs. EPR International provides you with top-quality automotive body kit and carbon fiber products.